Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming every piece and positioning the largest parts where the bed will sit. Lay the side rails and head/foot rails parallel on the floor, then match bolts and washers to their labeled bags so you avoid mixing sizes. You should have your wrench and Allen key out. If a bolt is tight, use the wrench while you hold the hex with the Allen key. Once the layout is clear, align the rail ends for the first connection and get ready to fasten. You now connect the side rails to the headboard and footboard, insert bolts through the aligned holes, add washers, and finger-tighten nuts so parts can still shift. Once both ends are loosely fastened, slide in the center support beam and locate its mounting points. Fasten with lock nuts but leave them slightly loose to adjust. Place slats or brackets across the frame, spacing them evenly, and then progressively tighten bolts from one end to the other, so you finish by tightening every fastener in a cross pattern to distribute stress. Use the wrench and Allen key until joints are snug but don't strip threads. Then stand the frame up, set the mattress support, and test for wobble or gaps. If you hear squeaks, identify the joint and retighten or add felt pads. If holes won't line up, loosen adjacent bolts, realign, and try again. For stripped threads, replace the bolt and consider a thread locker if vibrations return.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.